Good afternoon, companions and tutor. My name is Cristian Rengifo Mesquita. Date is November 23, Unit 3, Street 4, the Understand It negotiation. Tutor Danilo Cárdenas. Is this exposition of, of share profits? Share profits. This is moment. So, this is a problem three. Um, and it's that sense of the institutional capacity establishing in the country for the commercial development of biotechnology based on the sustainable. This is effects in the biotechnology product negotiation are an impulsive bit in intangible component associated to them. This is that two topics. This one sources of the entrepreneurship for development of innovation. Two, training of human resource with low levels of innovation in biotechnology. Second effects, we can be there to threat of patent. Research and development projects are the different stage of development of biotech product. And causes. Stage stage 1 preparation stage, 2 iteration stage, 3 stage beginning and concessions, 4 stage agreements and conclusion stage, and then evaluation its innovative technology of the fact to the concern. Causes level 1. Limit knowledge on application in medicine, agriculture, and the biodiversity industry. 2. Reduce number of national bioprotection agency. This is a following publishing biotechnology products. First preparation establishing of the objectives. 2. Hygiene and concessions. This is topic. This is important. This is an important evaluation of flexibility on the counterpart. 3. Saving and benefits. This is about topic is the started win-win and consumer and client. 4. Agreements and conclusions. This is topic important about determination of the benefits of the name. This is a problem 3. Traffic profits. These are two topics. about sharing profits. What is a profit sharing plan? Profit sharing plan is a retirement plan that its employees share the profits company. Categories, profit sharing plan hits employees and share in the other company's profits based on its quarter or annual earning. This is second topic as sharing profits. This is a great for a business to give if employees of a sense ownership in the company, but there are typical restrictions of the as to when how a person can withdraw these funds with the penalties. This is an important note because employers set up a profit sharing plans versus decide how much they want to allocate to its employees. A company that offers a profit share plan adjusts in a need sometimes making zero contributions in the same years. In the years with it, contribution, however, the company must come up with a shared formula to the pension allocation. Good afternoon. Bye bye. Good luck.